Hello guys, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine today. And to start the day today, to start the class, I would like to ask you something. What will you do on your vacation in July? That we hope it's in July. What will you do in your vacation? Good, good. And now tell me something. You told me I will travel on my vacation. I will go to Rio de Janeiro on my vacation. I will, I will travel abroad on my vacation. I will visit my grandma on my vacation. Okay, but tell me something. Are you sure about that? Are you certain about that? Hmm? No, you're not. We are full, mainly now during this corona stuff, we are full of doubts. We are full of uncertainty. We are not certain about anything anymore. So, could you realize that we are talking about things that we are not sure, that we're not certain? We're only talking about predictions, things that will happen, but we are not sure. We don't have this control. We didn't plan anything. It's only a desire, a wish from the bottom of our hearts. Yeah, so far? Good. Um, and tell me, what will you do after when we finish the class today? When we finish the school today? What are you going to do? I'm going to have lunch when we finish the class, when we finish the day at about 12:45. I am going to have lunch in my house. I am going to cook the lunch. I am going to have lunch, then I am going to work again. I am going to teach for the second grade. Then, after teaching, I'm going to take a nap because I deserve. I have been working all day long. I am go so, and after when I finish my nap, I'm going to take a shower. I'm going to take a shower. I'm going to read a book. I'm going to study a little bit, and I'm going to prepare classes. And I'm going to record classes. I'm going to shoot because, as you know, I'm almost an artist. I'm how can I say, a classroom influencer. I'm a classroom influencer, and I liked this term, classroom influencer. It sounds good to me. So, and let me see what else. Okay, and then I'm going to have dinner. I'm going to prepare dinner first, and then I'm going to have dinner, and after that, I'm going to take a shower again because I'm a very clean person. After that, I'm going to watch my soap opera, Fina Estampa, because I like to watch soap operas. And after that, I'm going to go to bed, to relax, to sleep. Yeah? And you, what are you going to do? You can pause the video in order to speak. I want you to speak out and to think. Okay, good. So, did you see the difference? The difference between the questions I asked you. The first question I asked you if now what will you do on your vacation? So it's a prediction. You're not sure about that. And now I asked, what are you going to do after the class? So when I ask you, what are you going to do after the class? I am asking you about a plan that you have. It's not uncertain. It's planned. Yeah? When I told you about my routine after the class, it's because I already planned it here in my mind. We talked about planned actions. Yeah? So far so good? So let's take a look at the TV here. The TV, but if you prefer, as I prefer my board, let's check it out. So let's see here the differences between these sentences here. Look, I will travel to Paris one day. I will travel to Paris. Paris is amazing.